everyone, welcome to our course Intro to Programming CSCK 108. In this course, we are going to learn about a computer science programming language called Python. Okay, before getting started with our course content, so you may be new to this Blackboard. Okay, so maybe you are new or maybe you have used it in the past. But first of all, I wanted to make you all getting familiar with our Blackboard organization of the course. So instead of holding a first class, what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to record this video in order to give you a walkthrough of our course organization. So first thing first, how to get access to this Blackboard structure. The first thing is that you need to have your net ID, the college provided net ID, or your email ID, you can say. The using that net ID or email ID and your password, try to access your Outlook emails, and also using the same net ID and password, you can get onto Blackboard. Okay, so this is what you need. And see one thing, if you still face any trouble for accessing the Blackboard, just let me know, and how to get in touch with me or speak to me, I will provide you the link also. Okay, so first thing, when you, let's say you have your net ID password and you logged on to Blackboard, and you, when you get into Blackboard, you will have the courses in this format. Okay, this is my page. Okay, under this ctccs.blackboard.com, whatever courses you have registered in Three Rivers, they will all be populated like this in this page. So read each of the headers or the headings of each of the course, and whichever is your enrolled course, just click onto that. This is the course that you should be in for our course, our particular course. So when you open it, make sure that you have this left hand page. Sometimes it gets hidden like this. So if you have in this format, so open the navigation panel on the left, click on this tab, so course menu. So all the links of your course will be found here in the left hand navigation pane. So first thing, click on announcement. When you click on announcement, you will see some of the announcements that I have posted earlier. And first thing, read this welcome to the course, and read it thoroughly, whatever is provided, all the details. And here, this is the detail for our book. We are going to use JaiBooks. So use this link learn.jaibooks.com and use the code. And there are two sections. So the section that you should be enrolling to is T1. Make sure don't select T2, only select T1, or else you will be enrolled in another of my class, and it will be a pain. Okay, to get into you to your required section T1 again. So make sure, be careful about selecting the section that it's T1 and then click subscribe. It's easy. There is nothing to do. Just three simple steps to register to JaiBooks. So instead of a physical book, we are going to use the JaiBooks. So let me show you how it looks like. The JaiBooks is in this format. Okay. So once you sign in, you will have the JaiBooks in this format. So for our course, this is the section that you need to choose, and here what it looks like. So these are the content that we are going to cover in our course. Here see, so chapter wise or section wise, I have made this arrangement, and once you click on each one of the unit, you will open each page, and there are some of the activities also. So how to click an activity or start an activity, click on the start and read the instruction whatever it says and try to complete the activity. So every time you need to complete the activity, because they are supposed to be graded. Okay, these are part of your grading. So you need to do these participation activities, this activities, and this challenge activities also. Okay, because they are part of your grade. So that's all about chai books. If you are facing trouble while registering or subscribing to Chai books, just let me know. Okay, I will give you a walkthrough individually in person, not in person, virtually in person. So next thing, then here this section, how to begin with our course. This is not complete yet. After making this video, I will provide the link of this video in this section and some other information also. So just stay tuned for that. Next thing is that after the announcement, come to the next link, online. The section is online, LRO and hybrid. What do you need to know? This is the page link I have provided. So read it thoroughly and what are you supposed to know before starting a course in Three Rivers. Basically in our format. Our format is LRON. So what is this format? What are the necessary tools available? Some of the person's info, their contact info. So just go through the page to have all the details. Then there is another one link, WebEx virtual class. So see, for our virtual interaction, as we are not going to have our class in campus in person because of the coronavirus situation, so all the in-person talk or communication will happen through WebEx or Blackboard Collaborate. So for WebEx, if you're new to WebEx, so don't worry about that. So just link this, just read this information that I have provided here. And this is the link to my personal room. See, one thing, you don't have to do any installation or anything. You don't have to load anything, don't have to install anything. Okay, just click on this link, then it will directly just open with the website, and this is my personal room. Don't have to do anything else. Just provide your name, email address, and then join it. So once you join it will notify me that somebody is waiting, that you are waiting for the meeting. And see, again, I need to mention before just entering to my personal room, I need to be ready also. So just try to make not an appointment. You can just send me an email. Okay, this is my email address. So here it should be where I have provided. Let me see. Okay, so it's not provided. I'm going to edit it to give you my email address. My email address is okay. This is my email address. I'm going to update it. Now you will see it here. So where is this? This is inside syllabus additional info. So once you click on it, it will take you this page, and in the last link you will find my email address. And let's say if you have already your net ID and password, you can also find it in your registered course instructor information as well. Okay, well, so that's how you need to contact me. So before entering to my personal room, just make sure, just a day ahead of your meeting, when you want to meet me, send me an email that this is what you want to talk about, or whatever questions you have regarding a certain topic. So inform me, we will decide a time. Okay, and in that particular time, just try to, after getting confirmation from me, just try to click on the link and enter my personal room. Then we can directly just talk like we talk over phone. Okay, we can also share the screen as well. And I'm typically available Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 anytime. Okay, so as per your convenience, try to just email me. We will schedule a time. Then in that particular time, me and you, we can both directly talk. via this through WebEx. That's about WebEx. Next link is our syllabus additional info. So here this is the book info again, Books info that you need for this course. Then our syllabus, click on this link and have the information about all this. So here see the lecture lab. I have just mentioned the provided days, weekdays and time for it. But here, as we are going to virtually conduct the class, we are not going to stick to this time because of maybe your work schedule, maybe your unavailability, because we are going to have our classes or sessions through virtually through WebEx or Blackboard Collaborate. So you don't have to stick to this time only. Okay, I'm available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So within that period of time, you can contact me anytime. So read through the whole syllabus, and this is your course outline, objectives. So read it thoroughly. And if you have, at any point of time, if you have any questions, just directly ask me. Either email me or directly ask me through WebEx. This is about syllabus. Then your course policies, outline again, and don't skip this part. Step of success for this course, Blackboard posting, how to write the online discussions, post something in the discussion, how to submit an assignment, and my office hours. All those details are provided here. After that, Python. See, for um, learning this course, you need an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, in which you will write your programming, the programs, right? So here in this link, these are some of the additional links. So for installing the, we are going to mostly use Anaconda, Spider or Jupyter Notebook. Sometimes you may also use Python idle, plain idle also. So whatever you like, you just install it. I have provided some of the links for installation in Windows, or if you have a Mac. This is particularly for Spider IDE, Anaconda Spider IDE. So whatever you like, just click on the link and watch the video and try to install it in your own computer, because without this you cannot write any program. Okay. So for Books, your textbook, you don't have to do make any installation, because whatever code you will write there, they have in their own inbuilt IDE where the program is just automatically run. But if you are running something in your own computer, then you need to install this Python. And this is the setup docs document that I have provided. So open the document, and that will give you the necessary steps for the installation that you need to do. So this is the setup guide for Windows, the steps for Mac. Okay, so go through this and install it in your computer. So this part is done. Next thing is the important part, course content assignment. So here see again the information about your book. Then how to complete the participation and challenge activities in Books. Here I have posted a video for that. Okay, go back. Then here these are the chapter wise. I have added the links. So click on the first link, Introduction to Python 3. So this is the first introduction, and which lies with the first chapter of your Books. So these are the activity overviews that you need to do. The PPT, then this is a video activity. Okay, so this is what you just have to.
So let's start with solving a challenge activity
Yeah.
from the chapter.
So see all the whatever links I have provided. Then this is the lecture section, the videos. So these are individual videos. What you are supposed to do, you just click on the link, then it will take you to my video in YouTube. So
My
sorry
computer's
about
possessed. The
that.
numbers are literally changing right in front of me.
In
So
this video, I'm going to answer top 3 questions my
okay,
students ask me.
so this is the link. Some of the useful videos. Let me see whether this is my video. Yeah, this is my first
Hello
video,
everyone.
starting with the first chapter. Okay, once you click on each one of them, you can have the sessions one by one sequentially arranged. Okay, for the first chapter.